Great for the playground. Is that your shadow? Do you see your shadow? What's your shadow doing? Hey, Oliver. Oliver. He does. He sees his shadow. He's trying to grab it. How cool is that?
That's so cute.
You want to play with your shadow, son? Where are you going?
See you later, son.
Oliver! Oliver! Oh, hey! Hi, son! Hi! Come join us! Yay! Oh, good. I'm so glad you came back.
That's more shadow.
Oh, here he is!
Hey, monkey.